So Brant Food for Thought has been around for more than 25 years, since 1998. We have been the lead charitable organization that supports and facilitates universal student nutrition programs. And by that I mean these are non-stigmatizing programs where every child in a school can participate. We currently support over 60 student nutrition programs in the schools, as I said, elementary and secondary schools, within the city of Brantford and the county of Brant. We projected this school year that we would serve over 1.2 million healthy snacks and meals, and over 11,600 students participating weekly. We do have students in our schools that are food insecure, that come from low-income situations, that really need this program in order to thrive and succeed in school. But there are also other students that are not accessing the same amount of nutrition, whether they come from a well-established home. They may have busy family routines, and that's the beauty of student nutrition programs. They're non-stigmatizing, they're universal. Every student can participate regardless of their socioeconomic background, regardless of their morning routines or whatever, whether they had breakfast in the morning or not. I just read a quote recently from our annual survey this year. One student said, "I eat breakfast before I come to school. But when the snack time comes around, I'm hungry, and yes, I will participate in the snack program, and I really appreciate it." We want to make sure that kids succeed at school so that graduation rates are better in high school. And the county of Brant, this area, has a higher than a provincial average of students that are not graduating from high school. That's not acceptable. And if we can help fill that gap and make sure that children and youth have a hand up, they have access to nutritious foods that will help them learn at school, then we are fulfilling our mission in this community. We have foundations and donors, including Turkstra Lumber Foundation. They are a community business that has been around here for many decades, and they exemplify corporate social responsibility by ensuring that the most vulnerable citizens of our community are well taken care of, well nourished, and ready to learn at school. And we greatly appreciate everyone's support.